Okay, so a week ago, this car arrived. We didn't get a chance to do a longer video, but we're doing a longer video today. So I am in a 1989 911 Speedster. So this car was built as a bit of a homage to the obviously early Speedsters and the classic kind of humps behind the rear seats. So it's had a rear seat delete in this, this G50 car. It was built to celebrate 25 years of the 911. Just over 2,100 units, I think, worldwide. Just shy of 70, I think, UK right-hand drive cars were built. And we're lucky enough to have two of these at the moment. So the one I'm in has done just over 103,000 miles. But the condition it's in, you would not know that. There's a few little stone chips on the front, which wouldn't bother me at all, frankly. The other one has covered 13,000 miles and obviously is in completely mint condition. Iconic cars, both in Guards Red, the colour of the 80s, and inside both, again, completely the same interiors, both with black with red piping. Just the, you'll see it on the video, but just the raked windscreen, shortened windscreen from the standard, obviously G50 cabs, turbo arches on this car. They did do, funny enough, some narrow body cars, which are really, really rare. I've never seen one in the flesh. And even the windows, just curved in when you see the windows go down, just to fit the soft top and the rake of the front screen. So if you want a really iconic Porsche, give us a call. We've got two of them.